Can the police force you to unlock your phone? The answer is strange, and it turns on how you lock it. First, the phone itself. To search what's inside, police almost always need a warrant. The Supreme Court settled that in 2014, Riley versus California. Your pockets, they can search the moment they arrest you, but your phone holds your whole life. Here's the twist. A warrant to search isn't the same as forcing you to open the lock, and that second question gets strange. Think about how you actually lock a phone. There are two ways. One is something you know, a passcode, sitting in your head. The other is something you are, your face, or your fingerprint. And the law treats those two completely differently. A passcode lives in your mind. To give it up, you'd have to say it out loud. And the Fifth Amendment says you can't be forced to be a witness against yourself. So courts have mostly held police can't make you hand over your passcode. But your face and your fingerprint aren't in your mind, they're just you. And police have always been allowed to take your fingerprint or your photo. So many judges say pressing your thumb to a phone isn't testimony, and they've ordered it. Which flips your intuition completely. The high-tech lock, Face ID, can be the weaker one. A plain passcode guards you better. But the catch is huge. This law is genuinely unsettled, and the Supreme Court hasn't ruled. Courts disagree, and some judges now shield biometrics too. It's a live fight. One trick worth knowing, squeeze your phone's buttons, and it demands the passcode biometrics off. So a warrant lets police search, but unlocking is a separate battle. And the passcode in your head is, for now, the stronger lock. This is U.S. constitutional law and general education, not legal advice, and it's still changing. So which locks your phone tighter against the police, a passcode or Face ID? Tell me in the comments.